Hello crypto enthusiasts. Today I'll actually be talking about WCoin Airdrop, how far we have actually trekked from the beginning to where we are and how far we are away from receiving the airdrop. And then apart from that, I'll actually talk about MemeFi coin, how you can buy how you can transfer the gas fee from any exchange platform to the app, so that when that time comes for you to receive the airdrop, you are covered. So my focus will be on those two things: WCoin Airdrop, the continuum of the journey from the beginning to where we are, and how far we are away from receiving the airdrop. Then I'll also delve into how you can make some crypto exchange on Binance so as to convert some USDT into some Ethereum and a linear network, and how you can send it to your MemeFi app, so that when that time comes for you to receive the airdrop, you are covered. So without any further ado, let's take a ride. So here is WCoin and I'm logged in. This is one thing that most of us ignore. We just begin to mine, and we have so many questions to ask about the airdrop, yet we don't take some time to just check around so that we get to know the roadmap. The roadmap is very important, as well as the white paper for any mining app. So what's the roadmap for WCoin? For you to check out the roadmap, simply tap the wallet icon and you're gonna see the roadmap here. For these other mining apps, you might not be able to lay your hands on the roadmap right from the app, but for WCoin, it's right here. So the first part involved the launching of the game, and this was done some time back, and then the growing of the community followed. It was actually eminent to this one, and though the third hasn't been highlighted, we are actually into this, and this has already been done. Blockchain selection. People actually chose Ton blockchain over Ethereum and the other one. I'll show you this. I actually had a conversation with one of the official members who actually communicated with me and sent me a saying there was a time when people were voting, they were casting their votes on the blockchain which has to be adopted by WCoin, and it came out that most of the votes were cast on Ton blockchain. So let's check out the official message. Let me take you back to where I was. W community. So here we go. They're saying, we are excited to announce that our community has chosen Ton over Solana as well as Ethereum as our preferred blockchain. We are thrilled to move forward with Ton, leveraging its unique features for our project. These are the votes that were cast, okay? And then I say total voted, that's 12,975,366 mets. Stay tuned for updates and get ready to see us on major exchanges. The next step is listing, okay? So that's what we are waiting on, for WCoin to be listed. But as we are awaiting that, there's something of great significance that you have to be doing, and this is what I'm going to show you. So what is it that you have to be doing as you anticipate the listing of WCoin on major exchange platforms? You have to make sure that you make use of WAI, the one which is here, and then you make sure that you level up all these here, and you have to continue logging back in every after 8 hours to claim whatever the bot will be accumulating for you. This will actually increase your passive earnings. Okay, so let me show you where they had indicated that this is of great significance. This is something that we normally fail. We fail to follow the official channels to check on information. Okay, so here we go. We are excited to introduce WAI, a new mechanic in WCoin that brings passive income and new opportunities. New currency, WAI, and WAI just by using the WAI bot and enhance your in-game performance. Passive income now, you can earn profits even when you are not playing. Perfect for both old players and newcomers to WCoin. Climb the leagues, upgrade your bot, boost WAI earnings, climb the leaderboard, and compete for ton real money. So this is where the message was actually coming from. So let's check out this one. Direct impact on airdrop. Active use of WAI will directly influence your participation in the upcoming airdrop. More details coming soon. So this one is actually crucial. You have to give it all that you can. Make sure that you upgrade the bot and make sure that you keep on claiming. The more you make use of it, the higher the chances of you receiving the greater portion of the airdrop. Away from WCoin, let's jump into MemeFi coin. Okay, so here we are. For MemeFi, I hope you know when it will be listed. It will be listed on the 9th of October. Let's take a look at. Okay, beautiful. So it is quite clear when you check in the Telegram MemeFi community group, you will find a notice that MemeFi token will be listed on the 9th of October. And that's when people will actually be airdropped. So now, what is it that you have to do in anticipation of this airdrop? You have to make sure that you create the wallet. Let me take you back to make sure that you create the wallet, and then make sure that you have the gas fee, so that by the time you be airdropped, you will have already had the gas fee to cover up the transference of the tokens into your wallet. So now, in what form should this gas fee be? It has to be Ethereum, which is to be under the linear network. Okay, so then how can you happen to get this? You can actually get it from those who have Ethereum coins, and then you can actually pay them in form of cryptocurrency, and they'll be able to send it to you. Or what you do is you actually convert some coins that you have, some cryptocurrency that you have on any exchange platform. So I'll actually be demonstrating how you can do that on Binance. So let me take you to Binance. All right, so we are in Binance. What is it that we have to do? Once you log on, click the icon in the bottom right, and then make sure that if you have any funds and cryptocurrency, if you have USDT, make sure that it's in the spot wallet. So I will be showing you how you can do all this, and then after you move it there, I will show you the next step that you have to take. So let's do this. My funds are in the earning wallet. They're actually generating some passive income for me. Okay, so what I do is I click there, then I click manage redemption. So I'm gonna move USDT. Okay, there we go. Redemption successful. Then I'm gonna click back, and I will check where exactly those funds have actually been moved. Okay, so they are in the spot wallet. Very good. So now from here, you can actually click trades, and after clicking trade, you now click convert. Okay, then here you will need to choose the cryptocurrency from which you are converting those cryptocurrency, and then you also choose the destination cryptocurrency into which you'd want to convert those cryptocurrencies. So what we have is USDT on top, and they're showing that I have 35.3394. Then at the bottom here, I'll simply click the downward pointing arrow so as to choose the cryptocurrency into which I would want to convert my USDT. Is it Dogstown, FDUSD? And then what you're gonna do is you swipe up, you look up for the one. So you say Ethereum. Boom. So we're gonna type in the amount of USDT that you want to convert into Ethereum. So I'm gonna simply tap that and punch in file. Let's see. So they're saying if I happen to sacrifice 5 USDT, I will receive 0.002. How about if I maximize that to $7? Okay, so they're saying I'll receive that 0.002 coolest. So we can actually hit trade. Can hit trade. And check out that. We can say confirm. And that has actually been completed. You can say sure. And there we have it. There we have it. There we have it. So we can hit back there. Can hit back there. And then click home. I'm going to say wallets. Okay, so it's now showing I have 0.00291176 Ethereum. So what I'll do is this. Before I do anything from here, I will head back to MemeFi bot, and I want you to keep your eyes open. See what I'm gonna do and make sure that you learn that by heart. Okay, so here we go. I'm back in the MemeFi wallet. So what I'll do is I will click Ethereum and check on top there, that is linear. And then I'm gonna click deposit, then copy the wallet address from here. When I'm done, I'm gonna hit back to Binance, okay? All right, so I'm back in Binance. What I'll do is I will click the Ethereum and then hit withdraw. Then I will go by the first option, send via crypto network. And then what I'll do is this, I will paste the address that I copied from the MemeFi bot on top there, then choose the network. Remember the network which was there was linear.